just an introduction before we blow your mind.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I'm back with another quick video. As you can see on your screen, I'm dealing with a lot of fluffy silver hair. Granny came to me last year in November 2018 and said she didn't want to do nothing else with her hair. So I took this silver fox and hooked her up with some silver locks. And when she said she didn't want to do anything to her hair, that's what she meant. So y'all just stay tuned and see how this 1-year journey has been. Like I was saying, Granny didn't want to do anything to her hair, so she didn't do anything. So I only see her once every 3 or 4 months. During that first 3 to 4 month window, as you can see, there was some issues, but it was educational. I let her know that if she wasn't trying to freeform, she still needed to separate those roots. I thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe and share this channel. Run them numbers up, Sensation Nation. Here we go.